NCH Software, who makes WavePad, has a very terrible download policy. Basically, once your license is a few months old or a year old or whatever it may be, they basically say, sorry, if you didn't already download the file and save that as a backup, then we're not going to provide that for you. So if anybody out there needs WavePad version 9.79, again, NCH Software, WavePad, I want you to go to RealHomeRecording.com/plugin/WavePad, as spelled out on the screen, and I'll also link it below in the video description and on the pinned comment. Then you can download this file yourself. Now you'll still need the serial number file. I can't help you out there, but this is the installer, the last one for version 9. I forgot to put it out there. I had uploaded it back in April. I just forgot to make this video. So there it is. NCH, your policy is garbage. I spent, good money on this software, and luckily I did say I found this file. I didn't even know I had backed it up, but I found the file luckily. And yeah, so anybody out there who needs it, there it is. And NCIH, it's going to be tough getting my business back with a policy that harms people who just, I don't know why such a policy exists, but yeah, since they have a crappy policy, this is my way of fighting back against the man.